Hello friends, Speedball by Bailey, Speed Vlog by Bailey, the final vlog of the year 2025. It is a momentous way to end the year by going to Omaha, Nebraska to celebrate the coming of the new year 2026 with...
I'm sorry, I didn't know you had a whole speech. I was going to start talking. Go ahead.
I was just going. I'm done. I ran out of steam. Yeah. What are you going to say?
I think you can see in the back seat that there is a Pee-wee's Playhouse back there
shout out Pee-wee. Shout out his Playhouse. R.I.P.
Well, now I lost
Is Pee-wee dead or is Pee-wee still alive? And
Paul Rubens is dead. Pee-wee, I think, is also has gone with him.
Yeah, okay.
Into the ether.
Well, goodbye. We will miss you. We'll miss you, Pee-wee. Did he die? What year did he die?
Recently, in
2025.
We literally just watched the documentary about
I know, but I don't remember that. We watched the entirety of Smiling Friends in what seems like 3 minutes, and I remember none of it, except for Glep.
Glep.
All right. Anything else?
That's my world famous Glep impression. You're hearing it first.
All right. See y'all in Omaha. Okay, hello friends. It is December 31st. Raining in the new year in Omaha, Nebraska. It's Dynamite New Year Smash tonight. Let's rock and roll. So we got a mostly full house tonight for New Year's Smash, but we got the night off for jet speed, so we're just gonna sit back, enjoy the show. We had to take care of some business. So yeah, tonight, get to just watch Dynamite. Oh no! I missed it, but Bandito did something crazy. So yeah, just gonna have some fun. See y'all. All right. Night off. Oh boy, they're loud.
Hey man.
It's loud. Night off for jet speed.
Yeah, it's a nice day out today here in Omaha, Nebraska.
But in the main event, we got our girl Willow taking on Mercedes Moné. So,
you know, they say money changes everything, but I'm ready to see her take a pounce.
Hell yeah.
You know, Jet Speed Babes is representing tonight. Willow Nightingale, one of the best in the game, so we're ready to see what she's going to do.
Hey, today's a big day.
It's a great day.
It's the last day of 2025.
Last day of 2025.
It's also someone tomorrow is going to be someone's birthday, someone who's very, very special to me, Veda Scott, but also your birthday.
Veda had the same birthday.
You guys got the same birthday,
Shout out to you, Veda. I keep forgetting my birthday is 2012.
The two most important people in my life got their birthday on January 1st.
Yo, that's
a big day.
You gotta look into it. There must be something to it.
Right?
There must be something to it.
Sagittarius. Right?
Capricorn.
Capricorn? I have no idea.
Don't get us mixed up.
Man.
Don't get us mixed up. But yes, we are celebrating in style in Omaha. We're turning Omaha, Nebraska up. How many people you think live in here? Everybody that's here tonight, right?
Yeah, probably. I would imagine the whole town is here tonight.
We're gonna turn the whole state of Nebraska up, man. We're gonna do what Omahans do.
Let's go. All right, let's see how this plays out, then let's celebrate accordingly. You did it!
I did it.
You fucking did it.
Oh, Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's,
gentlemen,
congratulations.
and non-conforming folk. Oh.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Oh my god, the light looks great. You guys, it's like they know what they're doing.
Like you guys are professional.
Not the lighting.
All right, let's go celebrate. Bring in a new year. Yeah, 2026.
Thank you, Speedball.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Linda. Linda, it's your birthday.
Calling me Linda is gonna be confusing.
Yeah, whatever.
Well, you call me Linda on the vlog all the time.
I call you a bunch of different names. Who knows what your real name even is?
Who could never know?
Right? Sometimes I call you Peapod. It's very confusing.
You called me Teapot earlier today.
I called you Teapot, yeah. It's very close to the evolution of the names that we have for each other. It was Freebo at one point. I don't even know where that's from.
We honestly barely communicate with each other in words. It's kind of just songs and sounds.
Which I think is healthy, honestly, to create your own language with your partner.
I think there's been studies on that when you have your own like language and your own like bits and things with your partner.
Right.
You tend to be
and our life is just a long compilation of bits.
This whole marriage is a bit
right
that has gone on too long.
Speaking of bits, so today is your birthday. You just turned 26.
I'm 26 and I am feeling every minute of it.
Yeah.
Being here, 26. Happy
26 whole years on the earth.
Happy 26th birthday to me.
Once again, your 26th birthday. How do you feel?
You know what? I feel fine. I'm happy you're home. I don't know. Everyone's like, ooh, what's your big plan for your birthday today? It's like, y'all, I'm sorry. Like, a couple things. I have a birthday every year. And also, I've gotten to the point in my life, and I think this is an important thing to remember, is that I don't need one particular day to, like, do nice things for myself.
I've explained
I just fucking do whatever I want all the time.
I've had to explain this to a couple people over the past few days. We also don't send each other Christmas gifts.
We don't do gifts.
Because we have disposable income and Amazon Prime.
But even if you don't have disposable income or anything like that, what I'm saying is on a larger, more spiritual level, you don't, like, happy birthday to everyone watching this to cover the entire next year and the rest of your life. You are special. It is your birthday, but you can celebrate yourself.
Yes.
And your friends and your family, or honestly just yourself, anytime you want.
Every single
day. You don't
day.
need an excuse. The world is terrible. Everything is trash. Like, we hate it here, but that is all the more reason to make sure that every moment of your day is as joyful as possible. So, like, don't treat yourself for a reason. Just treat yourself because you deserve it.
Just treat yourself.
Yeah.
All right.
That's where I'm at.
All right. Good.
Anyway.
Good. All right.
Happy birthday to me. And Kevin Knight, who has the same, your tag partner and your life partner have the same birthday. That is true.
Yep. Yeah, we talked about this earlier in the vlog. Okay.
Wanna go home?
Yeah, let's go celebrate. And we're back. We're going again.
Oh, wait, this is the same vlog, right?
This is the same vlog, yes.
Because I'm pretty sure I was wearing this yesterday when I dropped you off less than 24 hours ago. Don't even worry.
It's okay,
about
you're not
it.
supposed to wash hoodies. You're supposed to let them. I don't know that you were wearing this. Probably a different hat.
Probably a different hat.
Yeah, I had a different coat, different shirt, different everything. But same location, same car, and we're back on the road.
Same leaving me behind. No, it's fine. I got shit to do.
Love you. Let's go.
Hot kiss.
Boom.
Man,
We're back.
we're back so soon. So soon.
Very quickly.
We're here
Quick
in the new
turnaround. We don't stop. If you thought that we're going to slow down in 2026, you were wrong. We're speeding up.
Always. We're turning it up another notch. A few notches, in fact, because gold is in sight. Gold is in sight, and apparently there's a bounty on our head or something. So that's nothing for us because we're always wanted in some type of demand in any type of way. So we're here to step up to the challenge.
And if you got to put a bounty on someone's head, you know who you hire? The bounty hunter. So we got BK and Big Bill. BBBK.
BBBK
is on the table for us tonight.
But you know what? Whoever put that bounty on that head, I'm not really liking your chances.
No.
You might want to hold on to that money tight because I don't think you're getting it back. I don't think you're.
Yeah, I don't know. I'd consider taking myself out and just collecting. I think it'd be worth it. We don't know the numbers. There's rumors of a bounty. I don't know the exact numbers.
Right.
I got bills to pay.
Right.
Maybe I wouldn't have to pay those bills.
Right.
I could just.
And do you get taxed on the bounty? Like,
I don't know how that works. I don't know legally if you put a bounty on someone. I don't know what it's like. I don't know how many. I guess being a bounty hunter is a job, right? Right. But is it kind of as work? Is it just like income? Do you get a W-9 if you try to put a hit out on someone?
1099? What is it? Is it
no idea.
Self-contractor or independent contractor?
I should ask my CPA. Regardless,
Let's do that.
you can keep your money because jet speed's always up. All right? Come in for the gold.
Yes, sir.
It's direct.
Okay, jet speed, bro. Let's go. Wait, is this thing on? Yeah, it's on. All right.
Are we live?
We're live. We're live. We're going. We're filming.
Today was kind of stressful.
It was.
It was kind of stressful.
You find out that people are coming after you. You got ops. You got enemies.
All kinds of ops. We got Ricochet and his bald head.
Which we knew. We got Don Callis and his bald head.
Don Callis, another one in his bald brotherhood. It's a lot of people out there.
You know who else? I think Shelton and Bobby Lashley still don't like us.
Right.
Are there any other bald? Moxley. Moxley clearly doesn't like us.
Right.
I mean, I don't know. He's gotten kind of cool. Changed his mind a little bit.
We might be able to rectify that situation.
Yeah.
But
who else is bald and hates jet speed?
Give us a poll, please.
God
sure
damn,
y'all can think of some people.
Give us who else is bald and hates jet speed in the comments. But got a big win today.
A great win
over BBBK. Triple BK. Yeah, there you go. Super exciting match.
Love it.
Excited for Jet Speed to be back together and making waves in the tag team division.
Right.
And we just got to keep it going. Oh, you know who else is bald and hates us?
Who else?
Dax Harwood.
Dax Harwood. And speaking of Dax Harwood, I'm pretty sure y'all had something to do with this bounty too. From all the money y'all been raising for Stokely Hathaway's injury.
Well, so do you know why I don't think the bounty is coming from Stokely Hathaway?
Talk to me.
Got no money and no hoes. So how is he going to put a bounty on us? Another bald guy who hates us. Jesus fucking Christ.
Keeps racking up. Keeps stacking up.
Is it because we got great hair?
I'd be jealous of the mullet too. If I could grow a mullet, gotta be. Can't get these. It's been some years.
Great hairline. Great hairline on Jet Speed.
Keeping that intact.
Yep.
But shout out to the rosemary oil. Shout out to the regiment. Keeping us intact because the bald look is not my lifestyle.
I think we could rock it. I think one day we will. Hopefully, when we're 110, 120 years old.
Yeah, in the year 2100 maybe.
2100, we'll get bald Jet Speed.
Mark it right now.
Mark it down. All right, good day. Good collision.
Great day. Now, where's the catering? That's the number 2 problem because if you pan around this room, what a catering at?
Where is that?
We got a comment from a redacted source, but we need to find.
I don't know. Maybe they're good guys now. I don't know if they can be in the vlog.
Yeah, I'm not sure. But
can they be in the vlog? Can't even say who it is. Damn.
We can't say who it is.
Damn.
But we're looking for some food. Let's do that.
Let's find some food.
None of them good. All bad.
All bad photos?
Yeah, I'm trying to take a picture.
Oh
all bad.
Boy, I think they're all good. We took like 17.
Hi,
we're back. Yeah. I mentioned it on your vlog.
My vlog?
Yeah, on your vlog, yes.
It's not out yet, but yeah.
It will be very soon.
Maybe.
This comes out tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
But my New Year's resolution is to get more sleep on planes because I spend a lot of time on planes and I got to teach myself to sleep. And I was able to sleep very well on my return flight from Dallas. However, planes might be the only place where I can sleep now and not fear for my life because there is a bounty on my head.
Yeah. I think it sucks.
Yeah, it sucks. Honestly, it's rude. It's being haunted.
The thing about it, though, and the only question I have is, like, how much money are we talking exactly?
So I really don't. Again, I was like with Kevin. I was playing it cool. We got this. As long as they come for us only in matches, we'll be fine. I can do pro wrestling.
Like, let's say you're sleeping in your home.
Yeah.
For example.
And then like Don Callis sends one of his guys.
Yeah, Don Callis sends a guy. Yep. How much money again are we talking?
I don't know. I don't want anyone coming after me. You know what I mean? I don't know how much money it is. But what are you doing?
I said hello, you. Cause like I'm just got some questions about the whole thing.
What are your questions?
Yeah, I just want to know like how much money are we talking?
Oh boy, I don't know. Could be hundreds of thousands of dollars. Could be up to $1 million. Could be a couple million. I don't know. I don't know how much I'm worth to these people. You know what I mean? I don't know that we'll ever find out. All right. Well, let's drive home. The roads are looking pretty icy, but I think we'll be okay if you know what I mean.
Why don't you
pull
take
anything.
a nap in the car?
Okay,
and
I'll just
drive.
take a nap. All right, I'm gonna have a little nap, friends, and I'll see y'all next
Don't
week.
buckle your seatbelt.